Hey guys, it is Krabby Pig's Saturday, and today I have an assa 2. Now, I do have two I want to try in this series, but only one today, and that is this one. I do have one more right here. This have a better bidding and a little bit harder to open. This, because I have picked so much on it, the key is starting to be terrible and have a shooting shackle. The bidding is terrible. You have seen me pick this so many times if you've been on my channel for a while. And just let me show you how easy this actually is with a normal pick, just a triple rake or guitar. There we go. That's because of that terrible bidding, because this actually have security pins. It have 5 of them, 5 assa barrels. I'm not gonna gut it because I have done it so many times, and seriously, this is a Chinese pick kit. So I'm not gonna do much of that this time. Let's just sort these off that I can't use anyway. And there we go. Good. I guess this is the tensioner I will use. Let's try to zip it first. Oh, got stuck on the back pin there. There we go. Zipped open. Oh, okay. There we go. With the half diamond. I forgot to show it before, but this is the W rake. Let's just adjust the light a little bit and see if we can zip it with this one. If we can get it out, yes, there we go. Open. So you can see this is a very, very easy lock, but it's still security pins. Next step will probably be the other Ruko next time, maybe. Let's rake it if we can. Maybe. Maybe not. There we go. Yes, raked open. This far, pretty much any pick can open this freaking lock. And rake it with the pad rake, as I call it. There we go. Yet again, the Chinese picks wins over this Ruko. And let's rock it with whatever this thing is. Come on in there. And that's how easy that is. That's why I love that pick. Even though I don't know what it is. Alright, L rake, let's rock it with that. And that is just as quick and easy. Okay, now the fun starts. We have to SPP it, and I want to use this hook. If one can, the other probably can as well. It usually takes a little bit longer to SPP it, but usually still quite easy. So we'll see. But the feeling of these hooks are terrible, I think, anyway. Some like them, some don't. I don't. It was easy to rake, sip, and rock, but now it's challenging to SPP it. Let's try the other hook. Okay, so far, actually, I don't think this, well, maybe, let's try. So far this is not going that well. Okay, just opposite pin 1. If I took a better pick, I would have this open by now, but yeah, that's not the purpose of this thing. So, but the hooks have proven to be at least functional without any sanding or finish on them by picking the others I have tried, and I'm sure it will go much better when it comes to the next round of crappy picks. When I am done with this set, I have another crappy set that I will do the same with on the same locks, so we can see how that goes. Okay, I can't say I give up, but I've picked this so many times, but yeah. Within, what was that, 3 minutes or something like that, none of these will, I would pick that one, but it could be easily raked, sipped, and rocked, so still the set is functional. Next time I think I will do the other Ruko, which we will see if that goes better. That cannot just be raked and rocked, so that is easier, harder to get open. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.